The next category is tech courses or tech careers, but where you don't need a BE or BTech. This path is great for students who are interested in computers, technology, or the internet, but they really don't want to pursue long courses like bachelor's in engineering or bachelor's in technology. But if you are someone who enjoys exploring how websites work, how different applications function, and if you like solving small computer problems, then this is the right career path for you. You might enjoy watching tech-related videos, doing online courses, learning new tools, softwares and applications. And if you are okay spending time on screens to create or fix digital things, but you don't enjoy studying long duration courses, then definitely you have to consider this career path. What are the specific courses? There are graduate programs like Bachelor's of Computer Applications, BSc in Computer Science, BSc in IT, BSc in Cyber Technology or Cyber Security, Bachelor's in Occasional Software Development. You also have skill-based courses like web development, application development in Android or iOS, hardware and networking courses, cyber security courses. There are some popular certifications like CCNA, Google IT support, and you also have some short-term technical training offered by institutes like NIIT, Aptech, JetKing, Skill India. What can you become after completing these courses? You can become or work as a web developer, application developer, ethical hacker, tech support executive, data entry specialist, digital freelancer, cloud technician, cybersecurity assistant, or remote IT consultant. These roles are always in demand. The only difference is you don't have to go through that 4 years of degree program. So what are the advantages? As I mentioned, most skill-based courses are typically for 3 to 12 months. So you don't have to commit to a full degree to start your career. So short duration is one of the primary advantage of this career path. Then job opportunities. Every business today requires technology. Every business needs websites, softwares, applications, and IT support. So there is always demand for tech professionals. You have the flexibility because many tech jobs are remote, or even you can work as a freelancer. You can work from home or even support in other countries as well. Like working from India for a US company, or working from India for a Canadian company or Australian company. Then courses like Google IT support or CCNA are internationally recognized. So you even have the opportunity to apply for the jobs globally. And if you are working as a freelancer, you have the earning potential. The more you work, the more you earn. So there is no limit. Then you have career growth options. You can start small, say with basic coding or support roles, and grow into advanced fields like AI, data science, or cloud computing. And moreover, these career options is a combination of creativity and logic. Tech jobs also offer space to be creative. Designing website, building an application, solving tech problems can be both fun and effective. Let's talk about a few achievers in this space. Hitesh Chaudhary, a top tech educator on YouTube. He doesn't have a formal computer science background, but today he teaches thousands online. Tanmay Bhatt, known as a comedian, but he also built multiple tech products and platforms. They didn't wait to finish a full engineering degree. They learned some other tech related courses, but they had the passion, so they practiced, built the real skills. So today they are successful. So remember, even a student from a small town can become a tech expert if they stay curious, focused, and consistent. Now, another interesting category is future skills and careers. I am going to talk about two key areas here: artificial intelligence and data science. These are high growth, in demand fields that are already shaping our future. Who is this for? This career path is ideal for students who enjoy working with numbers and patterns. They are naturally curious, always asking why and how. They love solving problems using both technology and the logic. They have an interest in tools like chatbots, analytics, or automation. They are analytical and are willing to explore and go deep into topics. They are creative and open to learning new tools, new applications, and they continuously upgrade their knowledge. Because remember, these fields evolve so quickly, you need to stay updated, keep learning, and stay curious. So if you have these qualities, then this is the career made for you. What key skills should you build? You have to build programming languages like Python or R. You have to learn machine learning basics, data analytics with Excel, data analytics with Python. You should be good at statistics and probability. You have to learn data visualization tools. You should have hands-on knowledge of tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Midjourney, and other AI tools. So, what are the best courses and certifications to start with? There is Google Data Analytics Certificate. There is IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT by deeplearning.ai. Python for Data Science offered by Udemy, Coursera, and Introduction to AI by Stanford. Once you complete these courses, You can become a data analyst, machine learning engineer, AI developer, business intelligence analyst, AI tutor or AI consultant, cloud and data professional. So why choose this path? What are the advantages? As I stated, there is massive demand for these careers. Every industry, be it IT, healthcare, finance, education, or e-commerce, everyone is adopting AI and data science. So there is a massive demand for these professionals. Since there is a massive demand, naturally there is a high salary prospect. These are among the highest paying jobs in India and globally. You have the flexibility because most of these professionals can opt to work from home or from anywhere, remotely from anywhere in the world. Low entry barrier. I mean, you really don't need too much of infrastructure. You just need a laptop with a better internet connection for these courses or to work. You also have growth opportunities. You can progress from entry level jobs or entry level roles to advanced roles or jobs, especially in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, or data science. Then there is a global recognition for these certificates. So these AI and data science certifications are accepted everywhere. Some inspiring achievers are Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, leading AI first initiatives. Then Dr. PHA Lee, Stanford professor and co-director of Stanford Human Created AI Institute. And there are many Indian students, even from small towns, who are building their AI careers without engineering degrees, just through skill-based learning and commitment. So here, one thing I just want to mention, that I have not focused on bachelors of engineering, MBBS, or even professions like the teachers, BDS, the dentist, because they are already very popular and most of you are already aware about them. So teachers, doctors, they are all, they are considered as sacred professions. And many of you are already aware about those professions. So I tried to focus on some other careers which are not so popular. So we have discussed a wide range of career paths, from hands-on technical to creative, from public service to future ready, fields like AI, data science. So to conclude, here is what I want you to remember. Every career has a value. Whether you are an engineer, a technician, a designer, teacher, nurse, or digital marketer, every profession has its own dignity and a role to play in this society. There is no one-size-fits-all career path. So success doesn't really come from the degree or from the title. The success comes from your skills, your passion, and your consistency. So if you are exceptional, you can excel in any career. How to choose your path? Before you select a course or a stream, you have to reflect deeply on your interests, your passions, your natural strengths, your weaknesses, your academic performance, your family's financial background, the current job trends, the future market demand, and most importantly, your long-term career goals. Don't let peer pressure or societal expectations decide for you. Choose something based on your research, self-awareness, and what feels right for you. The marks card or the marks are really important. But if for some reason you didn't score well, it doesn't mean the end of the world. So marks are important, but not always everything. As I said, if for some reason your 10th or 12th grade marks are not so good, then don't be disappointed or discouraged. They do not define your entire future. What matters more is what you do with what you have. Even if you didn't score well, your marks are average, you can still build a successful future. You always have the second chance. With the right skills, smart decisions, and consistent effort, you can excel. So, to summarize, choose something with confidence, prepare for it with passion, and you have to grow with consistency. Your career is not just a destination, it's a journey. And today is the first step. So now I have another 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm happy to take few questions from you. I may not be able to answer every question right now, but I will definitely share my contact details at the end. If you wish to connect one-on-one, feel free to reach out to me. So let's take a couple of questions from the participants. There is anonymous. It is showing as iPhone 16. So the question is, I am not good at studies. Can I still build a successful career? Well, if you are not good at studies, try to work hard, put more efforts. But yes, to answer your question, absolutely yes. Not everyone excels in academics, and it's perfectly okay. It's fine. It just means that study is not your strength. Your strength lies somewhere else, which is completely valid. So many successful people in business, technology, or even government, or even in creative industries, they were not top rankers in the school. Like Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar. So they had their own talent. So the report cards or your mark sheet, they don't define your future. What matters most is you have to know yourself. You should have that self-awareness. And you have to grow or build your skills in the areas that suit you. Staying committed and working hard is really important. So if you are good with your hands, you can explore design, diploma, or technical skill-based courses like ITI. If you are a good communicator, you might thrive in business, marketing, or media related roles. So success is not really limited to marks. It follows passion and consistency. So try to focus on your strength and on your interest and passions. Okay, there is another question. Okay, how do I convince my parents if I don't want to become an engineer or doctor? This question is from Pramod. Okay, Pramod, that's a very valid and it's often challenging question. So here is what I suggest. First, you have to remember your parents want the best for you. They may seem strict, but they care about your future more than anyone else. Sometimes their ideas are different from yours, which is normal. So sit with your parents and have an open, respectful discussion. Explain to them what you are interested in and why. Talk about the career options that you are considering. If possible, share some real life success stories, just like we discussed today. It's important to prepare before having that discussion because you have to be informed, confident to discuss these topics, and you have to show them that you thought about it and you are serious about your future. Sometimes you can also involve your teacher or mentor or even a career counselor in these conversations because they will have more impact on your parents. All they want to make sure that you have the clarity and the spark in you. In that case, they are more likely they will support your decision. Okay. So last question for today. How do I know which course is right for me if I have multiple interests? This question is from Sandhya. Yes, Sandhya, again, that is a very great question. And yes, it's perfectly fine and normal to have more than one interest. It actually shows you are curious and open-minded. But here is what you can do. Write down your top 3 interests. So what you want to be. So now based on this conversation, I realize and I am interested towards being a doctor, data scientist. Then write down what are your top 3 interests. Then for each interest or for each career path, list down the skills required. If I want to become a doctor, I should have the patience. I should work hard, study for hours. I have to be ready to work in different shifts, ready to work more on practicals. Or if I want to be a data scientist or AI, artificial intelligence, my analytical thinking should be good. I should have the curiosity. My statistics, basic maths should be good. I should be good at programming, learning programming skills. So once you list down, then you also analyze what is the future demand and job opportunities for these careers. And once you have everything in front of you, then you can match your interest and your strengths and what excites you the most. You compare that with the list that you have. Then definitely you will understand which course is better suited for you. If you are still unsure, let's say, from 3 I was able to cut down 1 and now I have 2 interests where I believe both are interesting and both suit my skills or my requirement. Then what you can do, you can try short-term online courses or even internships in each of these areas, or talk to professionals or seniors who are already in those fields and see which one gives you the most excitement, confidence and clarity. So eventually, if you go through this exercise, you will feel one option is right for you. And remember, it's about matching your goal to your interest, matching your goal to your ability, and matching your goal to the opportunities that you have. Okay, so thank you so much, dear students, for your participation and of course wonderful questions. I truly hope this session was helpful, and I think you have some idea now how to decide about your future. So I am sharing my email ID and contact details. Feel free to get in touch if you need more guidance. You have already taken the first step by attending this webinar. Now you have to keep learning, keep growing, and believe in yourself. All the very best for your future.